in the second half. Jesus Hernandez leads off for the Sky Carp. First pitch is fouled back as Zhenwei Lin gets ahead 0-1. 1-0, rather the 0-1, excuse me. It's cut on and missed. Count 0-2. Lin on 0-2 down and out of the zone. 1-2 strike. Jupiter. 2 serve. Tapped foul at home plate. We'll do it again. Here's the wind and the 1-2. Slider off the outside edge. Good try. 2 balls and 2 strikes. Agreement with Josh Cross. The pitch to the plate bounces in. Count full 3. 3-2 pitch. Spoiled foul. Mugging traffic cone. An orange barrel staring back at you. Payoff pitch outside ball 4. The leadoff man Hernandez. Infield shaded to the pull side. The pitch outside ball 1. 1-ball pitch. Misfires high and wide. Lin down in the count 2-0. Hernandez, a very modest lead from first. 2-0 delivery through there for a strike. It's 2-1. Dylan Reeves deciphers balls and strikes. The base umpire is John Miller. In a deep breath, here he comes. Misses again wide. 3-1 the count. 3-1 pitch. Swing and a pop foul off of first. Jobert will not have a play. Right-hander set. A spin and a throw to first. Hernandez back in. Gets his teal cap. The black bill. 3-2 pitch in there for strike 3. Cape sent packing on 99-mile-per-hour cheddar. Lin reached back for a little something extra. Getting north of 300. First pitch upstairs, ball 1. 60, that's a pretty good number. 1-0 serve. Top of the zone strike, gets 1-1. The Chiefs, they certainly got their lick back last night. Green's in onslaught as the broadcast continues. Fastball misses high. Lin, the late kick, the offering. Check swing. Green did not go on an elevated hater. It's time. Not going. And the pitch waved on and missed. Strike 3. First on the dirt. Josh Cross does the catching for Lin. Close play at first. Caught Hernandez. Lin to the plate. This is high and wide. Ball 1. Hernandez thought about it. Jammed on the brakes. The pitch is in for a strike. It's 1-1. Long-haired right-hander. Fires. Cracked bat, roller to the right side. Richardson pounces on it. Underhands to first. And Zhenwei Lin has a scoreless first inning after surrendering a leadoff free pass. Strike 1 to Jay Bashir. You like pitching? This has been your game so far. Small sample size. Lin to the plate. Swing and a broken bat. One hopper on the infield. Villarreal fields and throws to first in time. In steps Gage Miller. Takes a slider. Set the tone for a Beloit winner. Swings this time and fouls out of play. Right side. It's 1-1. Quick turnaround. They have laser engraving and more. Station 2 Custom Creations. 19 runs driven in. 1 pitch, a swing and a slowly hit ground ball to third. Curiali on the charge. Fields and throws to first, 2 down. They have 87 degrees. Rob's got 87. Michael's got 87. Not even in the same room with us. Wave and a miss. Vargas way out in front. 0-2. Lin way ahead. Pitch is lined down the left field line. A foul ball. 0-2. Lin bounces 1. Wind the 1-2. Swinging a ground ball to short. Backhanded Villarreal. Throw to first is in time to nab Shedry Vargas. Jinwei Lin has a 1-2-3 second inning. Look at. Here's the 1-0 to Eric Radicek. So a much more competitive. The top due for Beloit. Well, pitch is swinging a towering drive. Right center field. Cho is back at the wall. It's off the wall and stuck in the padding between the wall. It's going to be a double for Radicek. I've seen this once before at Dozer Park. There's just a little bit of breathing room between the padding on the wall and the brick wall itself, and you can. First pitch down Broadway for a strike. It's 0-1. One of the all-timers. One strike pitch outside. The count 1-1. 1-1 pitch in off the plate. It's 2-1. Was not particularly fond of the Brewers growing up. There's a base hit in the right. See how aggressive Angel Espada is. Will hold Radicek at third. Uprising here from the bottom of the order on the corners with nobody out for Jesus Hernandez. First pitch to Hernandez way outside. Cross an athletic play to keep it from going to the backstop. Right after it. Check on Boyd. He's back in. Everyone gets me every time. Boyd takes off. The throw goes through, and they got him. Josh Cross with the seed. Throw to get him. Big out number one as Hernandez takes downstairs. Way back. The delivery. Look out. Up and in and to the backstop. A run scores. Radicek jogs in from third. And the Skycarp have a 1-0 lead. 3 hits. Now his pickoff throw to first is wild. Bangs off the tarp. Moving up 90 feet is Hernandez. The Cardinals system. Pitch in the dirt. Nice block by Cross. Ball 1 on Yidi Kepe. 1-0 serve. Swinging a fly ball center field. Cho getting behind it. Makes a catch head high. Runner will hold at second. 11 walks over his last 3 starts. Peyton Green takes a center cut strike. It's 0-1. There's a 1-strike pitch. Fouled into the screen. It's 0-2. A leadoff double here in the third. The 0-2 pitch. Fouled back near the on-deck circle. 2-strike pitch. Cut on and missed. Inning over. Lynn able to recalibrate. He allows just the 1 run in the third. We go to the home half of inning number 3. This was the magic inning last night. See if the Chiefs can duplicate that. Trailing 1-0 on the Peoria Chiefs streaming network.
Streaming network, Garrett Forrester to get the 4th inning underway. Middle of the order, 4, 5, and 6 for the Skycarp. Righty on righty, breaking ball in there, and it's 0-2. Lynn, big righty, cuts it loose, high upstairs. And 205, 23 years old, and it's fouled straight back as Forrester gets a piece, making his 8th start now on the season for Peoria. Broken bat, roller over towards third, picked up by the third baseman in Curry Alley, and pegs it across in time. Righty in Lynn. First pitch to Bashirs, high inside for a ball, and it's 1-0. Waits on the 1-0, and swings and misses. Pitch low. Went around was Bashirs on a burst play with 3 homers, 13 RBIs. And hits one sharply over to short. Viruel up with it, the shortstop. Pegs it across in time. Good stretch by Joe Barrett, first base. For his first time. Right-handed pitcher, right-handed batter. First pitch, a fastball high. 239, 3 homers, 14 RBIs. Pitch gets away from the catcher outside all the way to the backs for the Chiefs yesterday. 2-0. And hits one sharply out towards center. Going back, Cho has a beat on it, steps back, makes the snag, and the inning comes. 2-1 ball game. Chiefs lead at top of the 5th inning. First pitch to Ed Chedry Vargas. Hits one out towards the gap in right center. Drifting back the right fielder, Levinson. And then from the left side, right-hander. Inland brings it home. First pitch low. Ball 1. The jumpies out in left field. A very calm, comfortable evening. Wave and a miss by 1-1 offering. Swings and misses. Out in front of the breaking ball. One down, base is clear. Pitch home. And it's sawed away down the left field side out of play. And Minnesota, 16th round pick in 2024. Outside, lays off. 6'7", right-hander cuts it loose, and it's in the dirt. And it's off his catcher. Finds the pitch he wants and brings it home. And it's downstairs. Ball 4. So 1-out walk to Radicek and a man aboard. 21 RBIs. Right-handed pitcher, right-handed batter. Lynn's first pitch, a fastball high. Taken the 1-0. Downstairs low, and it's 2-0. And it's on the 2-0 offering. Lynn cuts it loose, and it's lined down the right field side out of play. Lynn has a sign and turns it loose. And it's outside, and it's 3-1. 3-1. And it's drilled back into center. And a single for Boyd up to second. Goes Radicek, and they're still out of the first base dugout. Anfield working their way in, and more than likely we'll see a new arm. Chiefs tossing down the right field line. Looks like a right-hander up and throwing. And could be the final line for starter Chin-Wei Lin. 1 out in the 5th, and they will take the ball from the right-hander. So a U.S. Cellular call to the bullpen. And a 3-1 ball game. Chiefs a new pitcher on.